Alright, let us get straight to it. You've probably looked up at the night sky, seen those tiny dots of light, and thought, wow, stars are twinkling like they are trying to send me a secret message. Spoiler alert, they are not. Stars are not sitting up there winking at you like some cosmic flirt. They are just burning balls of gas, minding their own business. And the twinkle is basically Earth messing with your view. So yeah, the stars are innocent. Blame our atmosphere. Welcome to Think, where we explain stuff you did not know you wanted explained. Here's the deal. Light from stars travels millions of miles, straight as an arrow, until it hits Earth's atmosphere. That is when things get messy. Our atmosphere is like a giant, invisible swimming pool of air, full of moving pockets, temperature changes, and density shifts. When starlight passes through, it bends, wiggles, and gets redirected. The result? The star looks like it is flickering or twinkling. It is not the star changing, it is our atmosphere playing tricks. Think of it like watching a coin at the bottom of a pool. The coin is steady, but the water makes it look like it is dancing. Same thing, but with stars. If you want the science Y word, it is called atmospheric refraction. It sounds fancy, but it is basically light bending because air is not perfectly stable. Hot air rises, cold air sinks, and the atmosphere is constantly shifting. So the path of the starlight keeps changing slightly. Your eyes see that as twinkle. It is like the universe is running a cheap light show, powered by turbulence, and no, you cannot turn it off. Unless you leave Earth, which is not exactly a weekend plan. Here is a fun twist. Planets do not twinkle as much. Why? Because they are closer and look bigger in the sky. Their light spreads out more, so the atmosphere cannot mess with them as easily. That is why when you see a steady, bright dot, it is probably a planet. So next time you are out stargazing, impress your friends by saying, "Hey, that one is not twinkling, must be a planet." You will sound smart even if you just learned it here 5 minutes ago. Now let us be real. People have written poems, songs, and lullabies about twinkling stars. Cute, right? But the truth is less romantic. Stars are not twinkling to inspire your bedtime stories. They are just victims of Earth's chaotic air. If stars could talk, they would probably say, "Stop blaming us. We are just chilling out here burning hydrogen. It is Earth's atmosphere that is drunk." But hey, without that twinkle, we would not have half the nursery rhymes we grew up with. So maybe it is good that science and poetry teamed up for once. You might ask, why do stars twinkle at night and not during the day? Easy. The sun is way too bright, it drowns out the stars. They are still up there, but you cannot see them. At night, the darkness lets their light shine through, and the atmosphere does its little distortion dance. So twinkle only happens when you can actually see stars. Daytime stars are still being bent around. You just cannot notice because the sun is basically the loud neighbor drowning out everyone else. So here's the big picture. Why stars twinkle because Earth's atmosphere bends their light. Planets mostly do not twinkle because they are closer and bigger. The science term is atmospheric refraction. And the whole thing is basically nature trolling us. Simple, right? You do not need a telescope or a PhD to get it. Just remember, stars are steady, Earth is messy, and your eyes are catching the chaos. So next time you are lying on the grass, staring at the night sky, and wondering why stars twinkle, you can laugh a little. They are not twinkling for you. They are not trying to be romantic. They are just victims of Earth's atmosphere. Honestly, that makes them even cooler. Because despite all that distortion, they still shine through, reminding us how tiny we are compared to the universe. And if you want to sound extra smart, drop the word atmospheric refraction into the conversation. People will think you are a genius, or at least someone who watches think. That is it. Easy, funny, and educational. Stars twinkle because of Earth's atmosphere. Planets mostly do not. And the whole thing is just science pretending to be art. Subscribe to Think for more stuff you did not know you wanted explained.